Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is stock price prediction. We all know about different types of stocks and we have created this web application using Streamlit to predict the closing value of any stock. So there are some parameters which take the input from the user and is used to predict the closing value. So we will enter some date. Let's assume 26th of January 2023. Then we will enter the open value of this stock 15,000, high value 20,000 and low value 10,000. Now we will enter volume, let's say 1 lakh in this case, and the name of the stock Tesla. Now we will click on predict price button and see this is showing the output. The close is 15,249. Now you can also see the source files by clicking on this file button, and you can see all the files such as app.py and stock prediction pickle file which is used to make this model. You can access the source file by clicking on app.py and you can see all the source code which is used to create this UI. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned companies. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.